invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Oops, what am I on? Oops, I hit the wrong thing. There we go. That's the right one. Hit the wrong button. Anyway, markets have been very, choppy. Very choppy overnight. Good morning, Mr. G. Hello, Val. How are you? Looks like ES, the low 55.15. Looks like the high 55.40. Yeah, that's pretty easy math. That's 25 points. NQ 884 for a low and a high of 906. So that's decently easy math to 122 points. Yay, early morning math. Easy. I like easy early morning math. 126 for copper. Looks like we had a spike down there on the Alchi Bondi. Oh, only about half a point range there. Gold, after flirting with going below 2,500 yesterday, it's risen back up. Moved through a whole bunch of resistance lines. 24 points in range. Crude oil back under 70 after going a little bit above it. It looks like it's just under a point in range. Natural gas having a day. Bitcoin still languishing in the 56Ks. So that's why you sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. Today, news this morning. How you doing today, Val? News the news. More rain down there, G? I just saw the picture you sent me on Twitter. Or X, whatever you want to call it, news. That's what I was doing. We have U.S. initial jobless claims and U.S. ADP employment change. Actually, U.S. ADP employment change coming up in 12 minutes. Jobless claims at 8:30. U.S. S&P Services PMI final at 9:45, and U.S. ISM Services PMI at 10. So a whole minefield of news. Plus, we have crude oil inventories at 11. CNQ coming down here. And then 18,900. Hey, Robin, good morning. Just being here with you guys for 8 hours on my birthday. Yes. Yep. That day we're doing it. Me and RJ will do the live stream from 8 Eastern to 4 Eastern. Pre-bell the bell. Actually, hopefully it's a hootenanny. Good job, G. Glad to hear it. Are you sitting there, G, soaked in perspiration? Nice. And Q continues to fall. Nearing low day, which was 884. Yes, not quite as close. News coming up in 7 minutes. Ooh, there's a bounce, possibly. More bounce to the ounce. You know that was a slogan from Pepsi in the 1950s? I might have said that factoid last week. I don't remember. I can't. Oh crap! I don't have my. I can't take that trade. I forgot. I shut. TradeDay did something weird to me yesterday. I had to shut it down, and I totally forgot to bring it back up. So I gotta log in quick. I'm glad you live in high grounds. Florida, I would, you know, yeah, I obviously I live in tornado area, but I think I would be scared to live in Florida. It seems like it's uh, not just the hurricanes, but it seems like there's constant weather issues down there. And of course, tomorrow we have non-farm payroll as well. Okay, so I started TradeDay, and there it is. Now we're ready. They're popping up. Sorry about that. I was talking to Gabs from the trade about a couple things. Huh. You would think that'd be something easy to figure out whether a subpoena went out or not. Pops up. Sitting here at 894. A couple minutes till our first news report of the day. US ADP employment change. And that usually does move the market. So thus I'm staying flat. I didn't fall for that purple candle there. I'm glad. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens with Google with all this antitrust stuff. Hey, getting ready for news in 45 seconds. It'll pop right before news. ES has been popping back up a little bit too. A nice pop there. It's an 11-point candle. Let's see what the news does, if anything. Ooh, whoosh. Bounces. So it got down to 874, which is a new low day. And now it's trying to bounce from there. It's a big old purple candle that I don't trust it. Which means it's going to go down another 50 points now. What did I do with my phone? There it is. All right, there we go. Got the stream up on my phone in case I need it. And we continue to fall. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Let YouTube know that you enjoy it. Quick, yep, told you I was going to continue going down. Morning, Platt. How are you today? Good to hear. Still falling, so I should have trusted the purple. I didn't because it was a news candle. But darn it, we're continuing and making new lows a day. Which means we need to look at yesterday when all our troubles seemed so far away. You see our first resistance line from this indicator I'm using is sitting at 18,830. So look at that, which is near yesterday's lows of 18,825. We're almost there. If we break there, we got to go back really far. Well, not really far, but back to CPI day last month. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Still falling. Next week, we are jammed packed with activity here on MightyOxTrading. Monday, there's not really anything. But Tuesday, we'll be streaming from 8 a.m. to 4 a.m. No, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 8 a.m. to 4 a.m. would be a little extreme. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. My birthday stream, and RJ will be here for the full 8 hours. Wednesday is CPI day, and For Money will be joining us for at least the first hour. Thursday is PPI day. And Friday is the last day. Well, Friday I'll be streaming over at the MyFundedFutures Network Discord. And that's also something else is happening that day. Oh, it's the last day before contract rolls. Possible bounce area here. Will we get some bouncing? Bouncing off the walls. Blue candle. Watch it. So lots of exciting action next week. We're long. We're going to get stopped out. No, come on. Long off the blue, but me, it looks like it wasn't ready. Yep, it looks like it wasn't ready. Targeting the 9 EMA. It's going to stop us all. Yep, we have news coming up in 5 minutes. Today's 8:30 news report is brought to you by Fast Track Trading. Why waste time with evals when you can just buy an account and be a straight funded trader? Get the payout quicker with Fast Track Trading. 49% off all their accounts besides their biggest. This week only ends Friday. Code FTT_wedding because their CEO just got married. $91 for a 25K account, all in. $229 or 1306 for the 150. Why waste your time with evals? You can be a funded trader today. 20 accounts allowed. Get on the fast track with Fast Track Trading. Last day for that 49% off on Fast Track Trading. Lots of Fast Track Trading here. Now I think it's ready to bounce. Maybe not. Hits the 9, comes back down. Yeah, but it was a green trade, G, so, you know, be happy with that. Green for Mr. Green. Two minutes till news. Are we waiting, or what will we see? What will we see? Hey, John, how are you? Ready for unemployment claims. Ooh, you'll get it back. There's our news pop. It popped about 20. Oh, there it goes. Wow. Javos claims 227. They forecast 230. That's a bit of a beat, but I didn't think it was that big of a beat. Almost on. It was like 91 points up. It's pulled back by about 40. Again, there was a blue candle before. I always see a color candle before, and that's the direction it goes. Got to start paying attention to that. Not that I probably ever. I doubt I'll ever gamble playing news, but dang. Pulling down. Morning, Chris. How are you? Anyone was anyone in that as it blew up there? Pulls back. Nice. For anyone else, I'll worry about that 40% consistency rule, but on Bulenox. But with you, I don't worry about that at all. Pulls back. Remember, folks, Robin, aka For Money, will be joining us on Tuesday morning for at least the first hour of the stream. We'll play it by ear, and she'll talk about her journey, maybe take some trades, take some questions. Definitely join us for that. She's a great trader and an even better person. That's the 11th. My birthday's the 10th. That's our 8-hour stream. Wednesday the 11th is when uh, Robin will be here. If I accidentally said the 10th, I apologize. Brain's a little messed up. September 11th. You're welcome, Nico. Good to see you. It's been a while. Pulling back just a little bit here. Just a little bit. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope she's getting better. So it had that big pop, and now it's pulling back. It's giving back about probably a little more than half now. I probably should have just considered a short at that point, but hard to jump in front of a rocket. Which is, you know, the what I've labeled when you try and go short with a long, comparing it to like going long on when it's everything's falling and catching a falling knife, jumping in front of a rocket. Glad to hear she is better. Yeah, I hate hospitals. I absolutely hate them. But I will say this is impressive. This is that paid indicator that I've been following, and I'm an affiliate of, but I haven't promoted it much yet. Partially just because of time. But look at this, bounced off that line that it put there. It was almost a perfect bounce. So that impresses me, and I'm not easy to impress. That don't impress me much. Oh, sorry. Purple. Do I want to try it? Hey, Crypticon. Good morning, and thank you. How are you doing, my friend? Short, tight. Let's see if we get it. Target hit in like 3 seconds, 10 points. Oh, nice little drop. I'll take that. How you been, Crypt? You gonna be here on Tuesday, Crypt? I remember it. I never really watched it. Kind of leveled out here, so now we're just waiting for our next opportunity. How is everybody doing so far? Thank you all for being here. Remember to gore that like button. What's going on, Platt? I appreciate that, Platt. Good morning, RJ. How are you doing? Wow, I can't remember the last time I heard that from you, John. I missed the platinum long there. Sitting here on 883. Got a little bounce up. It happens, John. I'm sure, you'll get it back tomorrow. Looking to see if this gives us a blue candle here. Just trying to pop back up off this 2 EMAs. And that would be a nope coming down. Gold's falling. Wow, gold really popped, and now it's pulling back all the way up to 54. Gold's really been a mover lately. I remember when we'll see like 10-point ranges in gold, and now we're seeing, like we have a 30-point range today, 50 over the last 2 days. Yep, there's the rise. I missed the blue candle. Slightly red so far by 129. We'll get that back. Just took that PL short, so if it doesn't work, I'll blame you, Hassan. How you doing, Hassan? No, I'm not going to really blame you. Purple candle there looks good. It's underneath my signal line, so we'll try it. Then sleep. Sleep is good. Seeing a pullback here on all three indices, Dow, ES, and NQ. Big old purple candle bounce off of that 100 EMA. Wow, look at this drop, 30 points. Trying to short. Not going. I'm out. Small win. 2 points. Very small. But feels like it wanted to bounce there. Hanging here around 875. Where are we going to go from here? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. But Pops looks like I got out at the right time. I mean, the right time would have been like with a couple more points in profit before it bounced, but that's okay. That's okay. Getting a little choppy. A little choppy here as we will try and figure out where the market wants to go. Platinum, not going anywhere. I'm $15 in profit on platinum. Blue candle. Blue on black. Might target that 100 EMA again if I decide to jump in here. It's at 8.99. We're currently sitting at 8.84, so we have 15 points. Well, I mean, depending on where the candle closes, it could be less. Don't like that the candle is still below the wick of that previous red candle. It's fighting though. Oh, well, there we go. There's a burst. Kind of not, now I'm like, now it's too high. We'll try. Boom. Long. There we go. Hits the 100 EMA. Should I get out? Should I get out? No. Maybe. No. Maybe. Target hit. 10 points. We're back to green. I agree. I wish PL didn't bounce with it. I'm still $10 in profit. Maybe I should take it. And we did see a bounce there. Got out at the right time. Wow. Wow. I got top tick. I got out at 903.75, and that's it didn't go any further. But it's trying again. Hang in there on the EMA. Oh, that's a bad PL bounce. That's a bad platinum bounce. There we go, top of the hour. And we pull back. So again, it can not get through that 100 EMA. And you can see it's done this 3 times now. Hit the 100 EMA here on the news candle, couldn't hold it. Top tier, touched it, fell back. Top tier, tried to get above it, fell back. That, remember, the 100 EMA on the 1 is pretty equivalent to the 20 on the 5. And you can see here, this is the 5-minute chart. You can see boop, 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 boop. Yeah, it's trying to bounce and let's see if it breaks. Up to 900 again, above that 100 EMA. Nice little burst. So we head toward the bell. A should soon arrive. Sitting here at 900. Good morning, Juan. How are you doing? So I finally got above the 100 EMA. Looks like it's continuing up. Platinum coming back down. Hey, there we go, Hassan. So I say I'm still in that same trade, or at least I think I am. I think it's nope. I did not get stopped out. I put my stop the top of that green candle. It got within like a tick or two of my stop. It got within 3 ticks of where I had my stop. Now I'm back to break even. Oh, we're still playing around this 100 EMA. Crude all wonky. Gold pulls back. Ultra Bond's happy today. And I didn't take the purple candles that was sitting right on that 100 EMA, but it would have worked. Cool. I hope it goes. What are you at? 23-0 now, John? Sitting here. There's a bounce again. Platinum's gonna like play with my brain. Bouncing on between those EMAs. It's a candle sandwich right now between the EMAs. Oh, there's a bounce off the 20 through the 9. It's sitting on the 100. Should I go long? That's the question. Let's see where we end up here. We're near high today, aren't we? Oh, not even close. What am I thinking? The heck? What was I thinking? I don't know. Oh, I should have jumped. I didn't, and now I chased. I ended up hitting it 1 second late, and I missed that move. Let's see if I can get out of this without taking a loss, but I don't think that's going to happen. I was like literally like a second and a half late on that. At first, by 13 points. My stop should be below the blue candle below it because that was my trigger. And instead, my stop's at the low of this candle. Hoping it continues to boost here. There we go. I'm out. I got like 5 ticks, but I'm happy with that. Should have been a much better trade, and maybe I should have stayed in, but the fact that I didn't get it when I should have didn't make me comfortable, so I got back out. The fact that I didn't panic and just close for a loss, that's a win. Morning, Ace. How you feeling? I'm doing all right. Good morning, Holdovator. How are you today? We are less than 20 minutes till the bell. Hey, no problem. That's why I'm here. Well, kind of why I'm here. Trigger point. That's it. Give me a second here. I'm doing something on the Discord. There we go. Okay, back to NQ. Sorry, I was doing in the mic. 909 is where we're sitting right now. All right, Ace. Get that money. That Bulenox 87% sell ends tonight. Goes back to 83, so it's only a few percent, but every penny counts. Every penny counts. Sits there. Was a blue candle, but I'm not trusting it. So that means it should go 50. Looks like the market's bending to Ace's will. Ooh, platinum. Nice fall in platinum. Woohoo, I'm up 90 bucks on platinum. Seems to be kind of stagnant here right before the bell. Well, not right before. We still got like 12 minutes. There we go. There's a pop. Good job, Ace. Ace is the place for the 1 point ES man. I don't know. I wasn't thinking as I started spitting that out. CFT just finished the Platinum Challenge.
as we sit here right above 18,900. I got out of platinum. It bounced. It was about an $80 trade. Yep. We're have to start spreading the news. I'm trading today. It's trying to bounce off that 20. Still a struggle to walk to the bathroom base. Oh, and Q pulls down. I need a massage. My neck is stiff. John DeFore, how's that RB trade? Were you short or long? I'm assuming short, but I shouldn't make that assumption. That's a 1 minute chart. I don't even ever look at RB on a 1 minute. Short on RB. Okay. Are you green in that trade now? Hopefully, because it's near bottom. Well, looks like this wants to continue to try and come down here. Oh, bouncing on the 100. Oh. Purple. Let's get that money. Oh, Again, I'm late. Goodness, I swear I was sitting on that and still late. Bouncing on a band, so I'm back out. Break even trade. So let's see. I got in 890. It wasn't that late. I should have stayed in. So whatever. Looked later than I was. These are smaller candles. Our ATR is back under 10. Oh, and 5 minutes until the. That's why it went all wonky on me.
Today's market open is brought to you by MyFundedFutures, my new #1 futures prop firm with evaluations that are very trader friendly, prices that are very inexpensive with no funded setup fees, makes this the best accounts in the future space. Just $76 all in with a 50K, $209 for 150K. Remember, no setup fees. End the day draw down, you have a path to live and a payout. After just 5 winning days, MyFundedFutures is right for just about any trader except for super scalpers. Join MyFundedFutures today, my #1 prop firm.
Okay, we are ready to rock and roll here. Bell coming up in just a few. There's a bounce. I think I'm kind of happy with where I got out at break even. All wonky here before the bell. Wonka. He was here earlier, Ace. He told us about crude oil, which is that was odd, but and then he disappeared. Oh, look at this drop. So I should have stayed in that trade. Need to get a recording of Ace's voice saying 2 minutes so I can play that when 2 minutes happens. Nice bounce, but I'm staying flat. Later today, Ace, or I'm down with that, yo. Yeah, absolutely. Just tell me when you're ready, Ace. A little boom there. 16 points up. ES popping up. 17. Everything's heading up right now. Crude oil, gold, Dow, ES, platinum. Oh, wow. And it gives it all back. You know, Ace, sometimes I feel you would be very comfortable in an Amish community. Well, true, but okay. How about you be very comfortable with one of those uncontacted tribes in the Amazon? Big blue candle. I don't know what to think right now. I do not like this market. I do not like it, Sam. A cave with a bear, Ace. How about that? Ooh, so big candle up, 30 points, rising up. I should have taken the blue, but wow. Whoosh. Think we're gonna see a pullback. I think. I wouldn't bet my house on it. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, John. That's still impressive. I mean, you knew it was gonna have to take a loss one day. Yeah, we have news in 10 minutes. Remember, Mr. RJ will be here with us for 8 hours next Tuesday on my birthday. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. live stream. Next day on September 11th, CPI day, we'll have For Money on. Should be on for at least the first hour, and we'll play it by ear after that. So I got that pullback I said we're going to get. I think it's going to go back up. Not sure why I sounded like Forrest Gump there. Oh, nice ace. Very nice. Up to 955. Nice rise. ICNQ rising. Nice. You've been getting big trades almost every day lately, Ace. And you were afraid you had lost your mojo. I think that's normal. You had a major life event. Everything probably feels a little bit off. So that blue candle worked. Either one of these would have worked. Almost at 19,000 again. They expect you to need the pills like forever, or is that just temporary? We hit 19,000. News coming up in 5 minutes. Oh, wow. Whoosh. This is a 110.5-minute candle. That Dow is falling. Crude's falling. Platinum's rising. Gold's rising. There's a pullback, though, on NQ. Glad I didn't trust that pullback, though. Wow. That looked like a reversal candle, and glad I didn't take it. I would have gotten in trouble. I'm sitting slightly green on the day by 116 bucks. I'm gonna try a short here. Yeah, not going. I'm out. It went quick. I did get like 3 ticks, but it went down about 20 ticks and then bounced. I got a full point. Yay. But glad I got out. Wow. Big bounce. And there it pulls back again. So I could have, if I had some diamond hands there, I could have stayed in. Ooh, nice bounce on the Dow. News in less than 4 minutes. And it's waiting for the news, I think, because it's just kind of chop a hair. RJ, any trades yet? Let's see what the news does. Nice, RJ. Very nice. Caught that bounce. We're falling here right before news. Let's see what the news gives us. Kind of a muted response there. It's up 20. There we go. Now it's starting to get some momentum. There's 30. Do I hear 40? 40. Do I hear 40? Do I hear 40? I got 40. Do I hear 50? 50? 50? We got 45? 45? Nope. Pull them back. Pulls back. About back down to 20. If this trading thing doesn't work out, I can become an auctioneer. US S&P Services PMI final actual 55.7. They expected 55.1, so a bit of a beat. It got the beat, got the beat. Pulls back. Well, that news, we have more news coming up in about 12 minutes. This one wasn't big, that big. It popped and then pulled back. Oh, I guess I was muted. I apologize. I didn't realize that. You should have said something. If you don't hear me for like more than a minute, say something. I didn't realize I'd hit the button. Good morning, Tio. How long was I quiet? Sorry about that, guys. I'm still getting used to the Stream Deck. I used to like flip my mic up to mute, and now I just hit a button, and apparently I forgot to unhit the button. So how long was I quiet? That probably cost me some viewers. Yeah, if you don't hear me for like more than a minute. Oh yeah, I explained, the theory of nuclear relativity, and I was telling you how I tell everyone how I, figured out women and all this other stuff. Yep, exactly. Now that's all lost forever. Seriously, this is for everybody out there. If you don't hear me for more than a minute, especially if I didn't say be right back, assume I muted for some reason and I forgot to hit the button to unmute. Or I thought I hit it and I just didn't hit it hard enough, or something happened. If I don't respond, then assume that like I passed out and call 911. No, don't. I'm kidding. Some people actually know my address, so I can't even joke about that. I accidentally mute for 2 minutes and end up having an ambulance here. Continuing to rise. Crude's bouncing here. Remember, their inventories is in an hour or so. More news coming up here at the top of the hour. Still sitting 19,047. I did. I traded for a loss yesterday. I am up slightly today. Still rising. News here in 15 seconds. And yeah, Tio, I apologize. I've been bad at reporting my trading. I apologize for that. Hey, Matt, how you doing? Ooh, quick burst up here right before news. Oh no, it was the news. Sorry, duh. I'm a minute behind. Anyway, burst up there. Big burst. She's on next Wednesday, September 11th. No problem. But we might be getting Ace on here in a few minutes. He said about coming on for a bit here today. So yeah, next week it's on the 10th. It's me and RJ for 8 hours, 8 to 4 Eastern, and then Wednesday it's for money. Rising up to 19,104. What's our high today? Oh, we blew through the high today. Wow. Now we're trying to hit this pop up there at 114. Look at that rise up. So all our news is done now besides crude oil inventories. Okay, we're hitting that first resistance area. See what it does here. Pulls back. Sitting here, a little above 19,100. Purple candle there. See, it popped up green after. We're short now though. Target hit. Boom. There's a 10-pointer. ATR is still above 23. Seeing it bouncing here on the 9. Definitely impressed to how that almost got to that first resistance area and pulled back. Not confident in this bounce. But maybe I should be. We might do it with micros. If it holds. It did not hold as a blue candle. We'll see what it does. Nice little bounce there. Would have worked for 10. Crude oil bouncing up. Dow bouncing up. Everything's happy right now. Except for gold. Gold's not happy right now. Shiny happy. Assets climbing. Bangs its head on that resistance 0 from the trigger point. Ooh, purple candle. I'm taking it. I'm late, as usual. Needs to get through the 9. Probably should not have taken it because it didn't break the 9. It bounced on it. Ooh, and I'm that late? I was 4 points late, too. That's not a good thing. Maybe we're probably going to take this loss. Maybe not. Come on back down. Come on down. Yeah, I like purple. Come on, break that 9. Target hit. Wow. Boom. 10 points.
Was another purple candle technically. I'm not gonna tempt fate again there, but it's probably gonna fall. And it does. And it did fall. Give me 1 second. And falling faster. Nice. And bounce here on NQ possibly. The second purple candle obviously worked. Bouncing back down off the 20. Purple, do I want to take it though? It's a big purple. I love it when you call me big purple. Oh, sorry. I don't know. I didn't take it. Let's see what it does.
Almost took it on a micro, but hey, you can see it's hemming and hawing here. Popping up blue. And 5 seconds on this bluish candle. We're gonna try it. It's a big candle. Ooh. Ooh, hits those EMAs and bounces. This is exactly what I was afraid of. I should have had the target right on those EMAs for a quick scalp. Let's see if it tries to. Oh no, bouncing off of it. Dang EMAs are the bane of my existence. Let's try it again. It goes through them. Boom, target hit.
There we go. We're up 433 on the day now. I need to not panic when it bounces like that because obviously it does that a couple of times and then it went. Good thing I didn't jump out. I almost jumped out. Now it's sitting about 19,064. So we have about 40 minutes to go in the stream. How are those headphones doing, Ace? It sits on these EMAs. That's the 9 and the 20, but yeah, the 100 EMA looming below. I think it wants to continue up here, but I'm not willing to bet the house on it. Actually, I wouldn't mind betting the house on it because it's not my house. I don't care if I lose the landlord's house. Everybody got very quiet. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's going to be okay, Ace.
Problem is, Ace, you made 2 accounts called the same name, and I don't know which one you are.
Yep, I see you're on. I'm gonna send you a call. Actually, I think oh no, there we go. Okay, no hurry, Ace. I'm not rushing you. Didn't mean to seem like I was rushing you. NQ continues to rise up. Let's see how it does when it gets back up to that resistance. I see NQ arising. JJR, are you here today? How are you doing? JJR's been a lot more quiet lately. See if it can break here. Pull back, bounced up, playing on that resistance. Sorry about that. Hey, CBR, how you doing? Yeah, there's a break. Hey, Ace, I just started a call. Do you see it like a pop-up on your Discord, or should be making a sound? Glad to hear that, JJR. How's trading going? I'm sorry to hear that, CBR. Got no ace yet. I had the call started. I don't think he sees it. Up to 141 here on NQ, still rising.
You're probably hearing me from the YouTube though, Ace, aren't you? I'm gonna try connecting again, Ace. No, Ace. I just sent a hello by text in the chat. Still rising on NQ, 146. Okay, yes, that I see. I sent you a private message so you could do the voice without going through the actual room there. Oh, I see you. Okay, we're on voice channels. Let me try that. Hold on. Maybe we can do that. Okay, can you hear me, Ace? Ace, say something. No, you're not lighting up. You'll work your way out of it, JJR. Oop, we just lost him. Are you on your phone or on the PC for Discord days? Okay, I'm showing my screen here. Okay, so this is the MightyOxTrading room. If you go to the side here, up to the top, you see direct messages. Like I'm seeing your name here. If you go there, we can just talk without going through the room on the server. I'm sending you a voice call there. And Q back down to 19,109. So pulls back by about 40 points. Aha, I heard a ding. Okay. Is your mic on, Ace? Down at the very bottom, you see mic and headphones. Make sure your mic's not off. Blue candle bounce here. That's tempting, but it's a big candle. Took a micro trade on it. And at 133, I don't have a micro chart up. Either your mic's not working, Ace, or you're muted in some way. Oh, we're out. That trade did not work out. It's 3 micros, so we're still up on the day. We're sitting on the 20 here. Pulls down to the 20. Looks like it wants to drop. So we got up to 150, and now we're down trying to hold on to 110. Yeah, we are in a call, Ace. I'm just not hearing you. So something, you either have yourself muted or your mic's not working. Still falling here. Do you? Okay, I'm gonna mute on the stream. Let me know if you can still hear me. Okay, I've unmuted the stream. Okay, yeah, there's something going on your side, Ace, and I don't know what the issue is. Do you use Zoom at all, Ace? We could try this another time with Zoom. I have the paid version of Zoom, so we don't have a time limit like the unpaid version. Popping back up here, hanging right around this resistance area that was put on by the trigger point, so it could struggle. I can try it. Let me disconnect, and you try initiating the call. Sorry, I mean I can start the call again. That's not a problem. Or I will as soon as I enter this short, if it holds. Short off that purple. See if it goes. Hey, bro, it's been up and down, but for right now in green. But I'm about to get stopped out. Yep, there we go. Stopped. Looks like it wants to try again, but just doesn't want to go there. That was more wick than body, so that was a bad entry for me. Still up by 163 on the day. Okay, I will try to call again. Please hold for the next available phone operator. Whoa, there's Ace. Good morning, Ace.
Hello, world.
Guys, can you hear Ace?
I'm not seeing anybody can hear me, but oh yeah, there's Teo.
Excellent. So how are you doing, my friend?
I'm good.
Is he loud enough, guys, or too loud? Let me know, because I always have trouble getting voices exactly where they need to be. So there you
What's
go.
up?
You figured out some technology. And see, it's not that bad.
Not, it wasn't horrible. I think it was. So I finally saw a little message saying we're not getting input from you. Maybe it was just a little short in my headset.
Okay.
Is it normal to get my own voice back? I'm just getting like a 2-second delay, but I can live with it.
Well, do you still have the volume on the actual
I,
stream on? Because that's what you might be hearing.
yes. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. Mute the stream. Smart. Hey, everybody! Shout out to everybody. Hi. So if I mute myself, got a wicked cough. Part of my situation is I can't take deep breaths. You know, those good old where you get a lot of good air in there because of the constrictions. Since my chest is being held together by zip ties from Costco, so yeah, I have to really concentrate on coughs. They kind of take you off. Good to meet you. Flat 68. RJ. Oh, he speaks like he types. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm struggling technology. You know, I hate it as it is. I'm always feel overwhelmed. And all I can see out of the corner of my eye is my best buddy RJ giving me shit about the Amish. No, well, I'm not supposed to laugh. So tape. Yeah, reading the tape. He's a scandal. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's why I love you, RJ. Oh, okay. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, nice to meet everybody here. It's fun and a privilege to be here with you guys and Mighty Ox. Thank you. So it's just we're gonna make this short and sweet. I don't want to take. I tend to try and hog everything, so I'm gonna try not to make it fast. But I like the fact that now we know we can do this. It's that we have the technology, and it'd be fun to visit a little bit about trading and life. And although RJ is much better.
Absolutely. I'm glad to follow.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we've always said we wanted you, and apparently it took a major life event for you to actually decide to do it.
Yeah. It does perspective a little bit. I'm not like, you know, at the end of the Christmas Carol, Charles Dickens, you know, how he completely turns everything around, which is good because that guy was a jerk. And I do like that. By the way, the best part about that story to me, just while we're on the subject, because that's never going to come up again, is it talks about how in the book, not in the movie, but it talks about how he changed and it was permanent, and I like that fact that it wasn't just he had a little scare with life and he turned back to a jerk a couple of days later. It said it was permanent. I really like that part of the story. So anyway,
yeah, absolutely.
Good to visit with you, and so we can plan on this down the road, and
Absolutely.
we can talk about trading and
You just
platinum and
need to tell me when, and we'll.
yeah. Yeah,
Absolutely.
RJ saying he liked that I watch his wedding. I guess I don't know how you feel about it, Mox, but I wouldn't be hurt at all if you were able to. We watched 15-20 minutes of RJ's wedding on the beach there on. I'm assuming it's one of the shores of the Great Lakes. I can't remember which one he lives on. I think it's Ontario. But it was RJ, just between you and I and the rest of the room. That was pretty moving. Just your look on your face when your beautiful bride came down to the sand. It was pretty cool and a kind of a moving experience. Lake Huron. Okay.
I agree.
Sorry, Lake Huron. So anyway, but let me get out of here before I say something really stupid, and let's talk more later. We can get this scheduled, and I don't endurance wise and time wise and everything. I don't know if I have hours and hours. I could never do a 6-hour broadcast with RJ. But love you, man. RJ, right back at you, bro. The thing about RJ and I think our relationship transcends trading, which I really like.
Absolutely.
So, but I wouldn't mind answering a few questions if people want some information, or if I could help somebody. And I've always said I wish I'd had a guy that could just steer me straight, kind of a little bit more of a mentor. When I first started out, help me make a little bit of money, make a few dimes. I think would have helped my learning curve a little bit. So that's kind of what I'm thinking, if I could help somebody. But if not, it's fun to just shoot the breeze and talk. So.
Well, anything would be better than G-Man. So, sorry, I shouldn't have said that.
Ouch. I picture G-Man and Mr. Vincent and that guy that poops in the shower, all just living in the same, just in a big apartment complex in downtown Moscow. That's where I picture happens.
That would be a great reality show.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So I'm off that day. Yeah, that's funny. So yeah, G-Man, who's that? Oh, Hassan. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about them. They're not here, so they're not here to defend themselves. Just what all we're pointing out. Thanks, Burrell. All we're pointing out is that over the years, people come and go, and that's part of trading. We understand that. But it's kind of a shout out to the folks who aren't here. But we appreciate you guys that are here, everybody. Man, Burrell's saying I have a nice. I mean, this guy makes a living with his voice, so I like the fact that he's saying that. Now this is to pay for you. View just missed a classic short on Dow. Yeah. I'm watching it drop here, but I'm gonna get out of here. So, but good deal. Now we know works. The headset has maybe a little short or something. I think that might have been what happened.
Yeah,
Actually, what happened?
Might be time to get a new headset.
So it is. Speaking of which, because I know you said yours was dangly a little bit. I wouldn't. I think this one cost, if I had to replace it, headsets. It's just the Xbox. I'm just saying if you wanted to go shopping, it was on Amazon. It's a Xbox best X1 box headset. $24.95 is the kind of the one that's looking like that same one that I've got. So I just don't want you to spend a gazillion dollars that you don't have.
Actually, Ms. For Money is sending me one for my birthday. So
nice, good. All right. Well, we gotta know when your birthday is too, but you don't have to tell that out loud if you don't want to.
Have you not been paying attention? The Tuesday stream with RJ that
that's
day.
Your birthday?
Yes.
Oh. All right.
Number 50.
Let me find just so everybody knows, September 4th, 5th, 6th, and 9th, regular live stream. September 10th, 8-hour birthday stream with, there we go. That's what it says, birthday stream. With RJ on the 10th, and then mark your calendars on the 11th. For Money will be there. The 12th, the regular live stream. 13th is streaming at the FFN Discord. I think FFN stands for Falling Forever. And then everything's live. Then there's going to be a European live stream with RJ Will, September 20th. Mark that in your calendar. The 10th and the 20th. Oh, RJ gets all the even numbers, all the digits, the decimals. And then CFT will be here the 24th. And on September 27th, it'll be again, FFN live stream. See, Mighty Ox, you think I don't pay attention, but I pay attention.
Yes, you do.
I got to picture that. So, all right. Let me get out of here and get off the air here. I'm going to go. Yeah, Teo. And Teo, I'm sure if we talk him into it, Mighty Ox will put it back on the screen. I just took a picture of it with my camera. Yeah, on here. It'll be here in the morning. And yes, Mighty Ox again. He'll put it up, post it. You get your phone out, take a picture of that, and you can have it. There it is. There it is. You take your phone out. And I don't know that it's posted on Discord. Ox, can you do it? Can you post it on Discord?
Yeah, I plan on getting on the Discord. I was trying to figure out where I wanted to put it. If I wanted to do like a post up once a day, I haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, we'll get it up there.
And I'm tickled pink that I was able to figure out the technology and overcome the difficulties we had. So we'll check you guys later. Hey, thanks, Mighty Ox.
Looking forward to more.
Take care, sir. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Bye. There we go. Do I have 11 on there? I might have been saving space. I have 11:30 on there. It says 11:30, 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. right there. Yes, you did, Ace. I'm proud of you. Yes, you did. Oh, wow. I apologize that I've been pronouncing your name wrong. We are. So so apparently the market doesn't like it when Ace talks because the NQ fell from 112 all the way down to 990. So it lost over 100 points while Ace was talking. So if Ace talks for an hour one day, we should all prepare for an absolute market crash. Yeah, you got to quit that day job, CVR. The good thing is, CVR, all the streams do stay up on the channel. You can watch them later. Yeah, and everything fell. Everything, well, gold's rising, but platinum's down. Looks like a bounce here. It's trying to bounce on the Dow. Nope, no bounce. Now we just need Ace to be on the mic when Mrs. Ace says hi. We have about 5 minutes left to go. Got Ace on the day. MightyOxTrading is really hopping. Lots of guests. Verl said he'll be on one day. He just needs to take a day off. Ace won't be able to hear the stream for the next 3 days while he works on that. Remember tomorrow is non-farm payrolls. Yay! Keep this up, Ace, and you'll be able to do IT work by the end of the year. I'm long off this blue candle. Target is the 9. Oh, target's hit. Wow. That was nice. Have a great day, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. So almost all my trades today have been like under 10 seconds. Let's go look at that stat real quick. MyFundedFutures isn't gonna like that, Yogi.
Let's see. So this is the length of my trades today: 38 seconds, 9 seconds, 31 seconds, 27 seconds, 1 minute and 3 seconds, 19 seconds, 15 seconds, 16 seconds, 11 seconds, 1 minute and 36 seconds, 44 seconds, 33 seconds, 25 seconds, and 9 seconds. Average trade time 31 seconds. Where, Hassan? Oh, oh yeah, it's an evaluation, so I don't know. We'll have to see what happens once I pass. I don't think they care about the evaluation, and it's all for 10 points, or at least 10 points. So yeah, I don't think the eval matters. Okay, so the question is, who allows copy trading and allows you to uh, not have to keep a safety net? Is that what you're saying? Well, ain't that a good question? Uh, I don't think there's many, honestly. I would have to do some research on that. Let me do some research on that, bro. I'll see if I can figure out. There you go, top step. Yeah, top step makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, it's just been real quick today. I mean, my trade times are normally fast anyway, but lately NQ's been moving faster for those 10 points. Now see, I missed this purple candle right here. This would have been beautiful. These are the ones I need to take. Purple candles bouncing off the 9 lead to money. 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 Yeah, let me see if I can figure out if there's any others, Burl. I don't think there's going to be a big list. So we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow for non-farm payrolls and other fun shenanigans from the NQ, ES, and Platinum. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. If I can figure out where the end screen is. There it is. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.